Basa ko pa lang so far are the good ones, the good comments about us. But I know there's definitely a bad side to it. Again, we can't please everybody. But when I do take time to read it, I'll try my best na I'll try my best not to get affected by it kasi alam naman po namin dalawa kung ano yung totoo sa hindi.
And also,
Honestly, sobrang kinabahan ako. Not because of them, because I really didn't want to snap. Because for me, kapag nag-snap ka, dun ka matatalo eh. So, para sa akin, apakalaking tulong po talaga ni Dustin. Kasi kilala ko yung sarili ko. But he was really there all throughout and was really keeping me steady, keeping my feet on the ground. So, actually, I haven't thanked him for that. Thank you pala. Thank you for that. Malaking bagay yun.
Dustin,
Pero kung nasan si Mika, nandun ang big winner ko.
okay. Thank you so
Lex Forever, ano unforgettable na ginawa ni Dustin or ni Bianca sa isa't isa sa loob ng bahay?
Ako, frequently niya to ginagawa. Pero sobrang na-appreciate ko yung pag-fill in niya ng water bottle ko every time nauubos siya.
Sweet.
Yun. Isa lang yun out of the many types of acts of service na nagagawa niya. Pero that's one of the things that stands out because it's the little things.
Dustin.
Ako hindi ko never ko siya sinabi sa kanya. Ngayon ko na siya sasabihin. Na-appreciate ko pag binibigay niya ako ng ulam.
Grabe.
Na feeling labag pa sa loob ko yun.
Kasi if you all know, kulang talaga yung ulam namin. Tapos siya, lagi niya ako binibigyan ng ulam. Sinasabi ko na wag na. Pero pinipilit ko rin. Sabi niya, lagi niyang line sa akin. Kailangan mo yan, protein.
Wow.
Lagi.
Didn't think na maging close kami kasi lagi ko sinasabi kay kuya na polar opposites na kami. Diba ako sobrang OA ko tapos siya sobrang nonchalant niya. So, paano? Ang hirap kaya. No?
Yes,
It's so
yes.
hard to meet in the middle. Pero namangha talaga ako sa kanya because it's really because of his leadership skills and how he can command the room. I told you that. So ayun, I think it's also how you can stand up for the people that you really care about. So,
Grabe, no? Open.
Hindi yan!